What's up, guys? Miguel here, aka Torrent. There have been tons of comments about this box. Why is it $380? Why not just build your own? Why not buy a cheap Android box and load apps yourself? So today I'm not debating opinions. I am going to show you something measurable. We are going to test how long it takes to go from a sealed box to watching content. No cuts, a timer running. Let's switch to top-down view and get this started. Okay, here we go. We have a box. I put it all back together to mimic like if you were going to get it for the first time. Start the timer. Here we go. And while I unbox this and get this set up, so we have the wire, we have the power supply, we have the remote, and the only thing I'm cheating is the batteries. It doesn't come with batteries, so we're cutting a corner when it comes to the batteries. All right, so let's put the batteries in first. Now, I've factory reset this all the way back to factory reset. Thank you for that. All right. Plug in the power. Okay. Let's plug in. Monitor and power. All right, let's get this going. Now this wire here is just a power supply. That's it. Let's see. Okay, adjust the filter on here so you guys can see it. All right, we're booting up. Actually, I'm gonna put it at an angle for a little bit to take the glare away. Maybe, yeah. Put the power supply in there so we could take the glare kind of away. All right. So we hit the OK and the volume down button. There we go. We want to pick United States. Just hit next to this. That just fits it in the screen. We're going to pick New York because that's where I'm at. Hit agree. And we're going to set up the Wi-Fi. I'm going to blur this out. I want to say that if you also get the wireless keyboard with this, that would be a lot quicker too. Just to put that out there. Okay, so it is setting itself up now. Now, this is what you get out of the box, right? So this is what happens. You plug it in. It's running its configuration scripts. This is factory reset, and this is how it handles out of the box. We could zoom in a little bit. Now, it's important. I'm not cutting to anything. I don't want to cut. I want this to be a seamless transition. So I'm sorry if you're sitting there waiting, but you can look at the timer to make sure that there's no cuts in between. It's important for continuity. All right, we're there. And that's time. 5 minutes. And I'm watching TV. Now here's the real conversation. Can you build something similar for a lot less money? Absolutely. Can you manually configure apps on a cheaper device? Yes, but that is not the point. The point is convenience. You are paying for zero configuration. You are paying for plug and play, and you are paying to skip troubleshooting altogether. You are paying to skip for endless hours on trying to figure out tutorials or YouTube tutorials on how to put something together. Listen, some people enjoy tweaking. Some people just want it to work. That is the premium. It's literally the same reason why you can change your own oil, but plenty of people go to the mechanic to get it done. Convenience has value, and this is convenient. So here's the challenge that I have for you salty dogs out there. Show me a device out of the box, sealed, no prep, that goes from unboxing to working playback in under 5 minutes. No pre-flashing, no setup off camera, no hidden prep work. If that device exists, tag me, because I genuinely want to see it. Now listen, I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm just showing you what you're paying for. And if speed and convenience matter to you, this makes sense. And if you prefer DIY, that is 100% valid too. You've seen the timer. Link is in the bio if you're curious. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and take care, guys.